friends, welcome back to Reubens channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my previous videos. Thank you for your support. Today I'm going to show you a product named Osaka LED ring light. Let's get into the video.
So now I will open this part just like that. Give me the boy. Pick up the piñata. You are telling me that I should dump food things there. I cannot do it. Okay. Oh, I see. That's how it goes. Okay, that's the company name. That was right. Unique graphic mount for mobile DSLR camera footage. 3,400K to 5,600K. Okay. You got me. It's open? What the heck? Ooh, that is a very long boy. Okay, that's very cool. But you go first. Goodbye. Okay, so we got all of the things. What are we talking about? What are this thing called? That is what? What is it called? The stand and some grass with. Okay, so it's time to get out this very big movie. It's so much. Okay, let's put this tripod in. It's called tripod. Okay, the first item is this tripod, what I said earlier. And there's only one of this and two phone stands. And one little key bracket. And an LED ring light. Okay, so this light is connected to a wire. Here you can see it. So, and it's also coming with this USB connector. You can connect this to PC or a laptop or even the smartphone charger. Let me connect this to a laptop. Okay, so there are 4 buttons at the back. This one can on it or off it. Okay, let me show you. So it ons the light. And second one, it can minus how much light there is. And this button can change the color of it. And this one can increase the light. Let's connect this up, wait. And let's connect this up. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So let's connect this. Hi. Now we have connected everything. Let me switch on this light.